Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind the scenes toy photography video. Today I'm going to show you how I made the setup for this photo, which I've entitled Heir to the Empire. I'll also show you how I edited the image in Photoshop. The toy I used for this shot was Grand Admiral Thrawn from Hasbro's Star Wars The Black series. Before I could stage my photo, I needed to actually create the viewport. I started with this plastic lid which I saved from the trash because I thought it looked like a good prop. I used painter's tape and an X-Acto knife to mask off the parts I thought looked like window panes. Then I took it outside to spray paint the parts that I thought looked like support struts. After letting it dry for the better part of a day, I peeled off the tape to reveal the panes below. To remove the overspray, I used cotton swabs and nail polish remover. With my new window complete, it was time to set up the shot. I simply propped up the viewport with some weights and acrylic cylinders and used a figure stand to place my figure behind it. After that, I turned off my lights and turned on my background TV, which I had angled in such a way that it would cast a reflection of this space scene on my window. So here's my starting image. The first thing I wanted to do in my edit was to remove this recycling symbol right in the middle. To do that, I used the Content Aware Fill and Healing Brush tool. After making a slight crop, I used the Clone and Stamp tool to touch up the rough paint at the seams of my viewport. Following that, I applied a few adjustment layers to make the light levels and color grading match what I saw in my imagination. Lastly, I wanted to touch up Thrawn a bit. I brightened him up with the Dodge tool and used the pen and brush tools along with some layer effects to add a slight glow to his eyes. A few final tweaks and we're done. Here was my starting image. And here's where we ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Thanks, and until next time.